You're scrolling through your phone and watch this amazing and engaging video about history. Awesome, isn't it? Let me tell you how you can make money out of that. Good news. It's easy. Well, it's too easy to be, in fact. 3 things you have to do, and those are subscribing, liking, and following along with me, and you will reach that 90 million views early. First, let's get those awesome images for our video. There are 2 options, Lexica and Leonard. Let's use Leonard today because it has creativity on the images. To get the images, let's go to ChatGPT and ask for them for a historical story, but don't get it wrong. Don't just make a history story and say something like these. Tell me a good history video under 60 seconds about amazing stories of ancient China or any country. Then add, I want to create images for every scene. So provide the scene. Now let's copy in every scene from ChatGPT to Leonardo AI. It's simply copying the prompt and pasting it on the Leonardo AI, and one thing, please change the aspect options to 9:16. Next, let's start creating the voiceovers for the video that will make it engaging and better. For this, we will be using 11 Labs, the best software these days for text-to-speech. If ChatGPT didn't give you the script, what are you waiting for? Go ask it. So then, what you have to do is choose your voice of choice. Copy the text and paste here. Then generate. I did a mistake here. To make it better, for 1 sentence of script, click Generate and Download. Don't paste the whole script. First, let's import all 7 photos into CapCut. It is just dragging and dropping. Then let's put in the voiceover, and we will cut the empty spaces to make it engaging and be less than 60 seconds since it is a YouTube short. One thing you must not forget is to change the ratio to 9:16, or it will be uploaded as a long-form video. Now let's add animation. We will go to the Animation tab and go to Combo, which is a combo of in and out transitions, and you can pick whatever you like. I like the pendulum and zoom transitions. Let's fill out all of the clip combos using generic, unique, and different ones for each to make it engaging and to hook the user. Now effects are the most important thing for the video. We will use Smart Sharpen because it is trending, and you probably see it in many YouTube shorts and even long-form videos. If you want to change the details of the effect, you could use mine, which is on screen. Just pause and copy it. Let's try to be accurate with the script, so in the war part, we will add some lighting strike and fire effects. The second important thing is subtitles. The thing with subtitles is that you have to manually type them, but with CapCut, it auto-generates it. So after that, we will center the text and go to captions and make the captions only 1 word. It might take time, but it is worth it in the end. Next, let's edit the text. Let's center it, change the color, add some glow and whatever fits the video and you. I will change the text color to red, add glow, and don't use a background. It will disturb the images. Let me check. Then, let's see the final result. In the tapestry of time, ancient civilizations emerged like constellations in the night sky. These lands became cradles of civilization, each with its own unique story etched in the sands of time. Monuments rose, testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of greatness. Cultures converged as trade routes intertwined, connecting the ancient world in a global dance. Innovation flourished, giving birth to the wheel, written language, and the seeds of governance. Yet, the ancient world was not immune to the tumultuous dance of conflict and conquest. As time marched on, the mighty fell, facing invasions, environmental trials, and internal discord. But amid the ruins, the echoes of ancient greatness linger, a testament to the endurance of the human spirit. Then let's export. After that, let's create a channel. Let's ask ChatGPT for the YouTube channel name and description. Let's upload the video, ask the ChatGPT for the YouTube short title and description. After that, let's click upload, then wait. So that it for today, THX. So much for watching till the end. Subscribe, like, and have a great day.